Did you know that looking at your phone for just 2 seconds while driving at 60 kilometers per hour means you've traveled over 33 meters completely blind? That's terrifying. And here's the thing most drivers don't realize. A lot of distracted driving doesn't start with texting. It starts with small annoyances. Your phone slides between the seats. Your sunglasses disappear. Your documents are buried in your glove box. Your drink spills into your cup holder. And suddenly, you're taking your eyes off the road for something incredibly stupid. That's exactly why this video matters. Today, we're ranking the best car accessories you can buy for under $20 that actually improve your daily driving experience without wasting your money on gimmicky junk. These are cheap upgrades that make your car cleaner, safer, more organized, and honestly, way less frustrating to live with. And trust me, the #1 pick is something almost every driver needs, but most people never think to buy. Links are in the description if you want pricing. Let's jump in. Before we start, quick rule. These products had to be affordable, practical, and useful in real life. No fake life-changing gadgets that end up in your glove box after 2 days. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the 2-pieces car seat gap filler organizer with phone holder. This solves one of the most annoying problems in any car, the black hole between your seat and center console. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Your phone drops, your keys disappear, coins vanish forever, and suddenly you're reaching around while driving. Terrible idea. That's why this product works. It blocks that gap completely while adding extra storage. And the dedicated phone slot is actually useful. That's what separates this from cheaper phone blockers that simply fill the space. It also looks surprisingly clean thanks to the leather-style finish. It blends into most interiors nicely. But here's the downside. It can collect random junk over time. Receipts, crumbs, coins. So you'll need to clean it occasionally. Still, for daily convenience, very solid. At number 5, we have the premium car registration and insurance card holder. This one sounds boring until you get pulled over and can't find your documents. Then suddenly, it feels very important. Most glove boxes are disasters. Old receipts, napkins, manuals, loose papers. This fixes that problem. The magnetic closure is a nice upgrade over cheap folders because everything stays secure. And the clear sleeves make finding documents incredibly fast. That matters during stressful situations. It also protects important paperwork from getting damaged over time. Now sure, this isn't exciting, but practical accessories often age better than flashy gadgets. At number 4, we have the SINGARO car cup holder coasters. These are ridiculously simple, and that's exactly why they're great. Cup holders get disgusting fast. Coffee spills, soda leaks, sticky residue, dust buildup, and cleaning deep cup holders is incredibly annoying. These silicone coasters solve that problem. Pull them out, wash them, put them back. Done. That's far easier than scrubbing built-in cup holders, and they help preserve your interior over time, especially if you resell your car later. The only downside? Universal sizing isn't perfect for every vehicle, but for most drivers, these are an easy win. At number 3, we have the 200-watt Car Power Inverter. And this is where things get much more useful for travelers and commuters. This turns your car into a mobile charging station. Laptops, cameras, gaming devices, tablets, small electronics. It handles far more than regular USB ports, and that makes it extremely useful for road trips or people working remotely. The dual AC outlets are great, and the fast-charging USB ports make it even better. The built-in display is also underrated because it helps monitor power usage. That extra visibility helps prevent problems. But here's the limitation. This won't power large appliances. No coffee machines, no hair dryers, no crazy expectations. For electronics though, excellent value. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Emergency Seatbelt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool. And honestly, this should probably be in every single vehicle. Hopefully you never need it, but if you do, nothing else on this list matters more. After an accident, doors can jam, seatbelts can lock, and every second matters. This tool helps solve both problems quickly. The window breaker works on tempered side glass, and the seatbelt cutter can free trapped passengers. The included mounting bracket is incredibly important because an emergency tool is useless if you can't find it quickly. That's why this ranks so high. This isn't a convenience purchase, it's a safety investment. And for under $20, that's an easy decision. Which brings us to number 1, the magnetic leather sunglass holder. And this wins because almost everyone deals with this problem. Where do your sunglasses go? Dashboard? Bad idea. Cup holder? Annoying. Center console? Hard to access quickly. Passenger seat? They fall constantly. This fixes all of that. It clips directly onto your visor. Your glasses stay secure, and you can grab them quickly when sunlight suddenly hits. That convenience directly improves driving safety, and the magnetic closure makes a huge difference. Cheap plastic clips can scratch lenses or damage frames. This design feels much more premium, and the leather finish actually looks clean inside modern vehicles. That's why it wins. You'll use it constantly, and it prevents one of the most common driving distractions people never think about. And here's where people waste money. They buy flashy car gadgets they barely use. Meanwhile, simple accessories like these improve daily driving far more. Buy practical upgrades. That's where the real value is. So here are the final winners. Best Organization Upgrade, Seat Gap Filler. Best Document Organizer, Registration Holder. Best Cleanliness Upgrade, SINGARO Cup Holder Coasters. Best Tech Accessory, Power Inverter. Best Safety Tool, Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool. Best Overall Daily Use Accessory, Magnetic Sunglass Holder. Check the links in the description because prices can change fast. And if this video helped you make your car safer and less annoying to live with, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.